Okay, hi everybody. So this is a tutorial as to how you go home for Mid Valley South Key Mall. Okay, so I just exited the gantry from the car park, motorcycle car park, and Hanif is behind me right now. Say hi. Hello. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hey, what's up?
So now we are heading towards the exit. So the exit is quite far from the car park itself. So you have to make like a few turns lah. Yeah. So the car park itself, I think it's like 800 meters or maybe shorter. Yeah. So now we are trying to find the exit. Okay, but first we have to clear all these humps first. Hopefully won't langgar my what's that? Hopefully won't langgar all my apa ni? Main stand. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, another one. Aduh. Okay. So a few more turns. Okay, this is one thing that I don't like about going home from Mid Valley lah, guys. So later, throughout my journey home, during my journey home, I'll be heading toward the Shell station also. So I need to top up petrol. Yep. Okay, we're nearing, guys. Ow, ow, aduh. Okay. I think this should be the last hump lah. Got one more kat depan. Yeah, got one more hump, then we're out. Okay. Let's go. Finally, sunlight. Okay. So now we have to go straight here lah. Then after that turn left. So currently it's like what, 5:30 PM now. So expect some traffic jams lah along the way. Okay, so but I guess the checkpoint itself or the custom immigration area won't have jam lah, because people at this timing coming from Singapore to Malaysia, not Malaysia to Singapore. But laju kat bawah. Okay, lane split. Careful, lane split. Careful. Alright, it's a big vehicle, so must be careful. Nif, come on. Come on, Okay, turn right here. So the Shell will be just right in front there. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep right first. Okay, the Shell is just over there, I can see from here. Okay, lane split again if possible. If cannot, don't try. Like this, I don't know can fit or not, so I need to put my legs down.
Boleh.
Alright. Oh, whoa, what is that? Okay. Okay, when you're here, get ready to turn left Oi, 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 kereta. Oi. Okay, turn left here. Ada kosong ke tak ada ni? Wow, looks like we have to queue for a lane. Nah, masuk. Kau ambil sini lah. Kau ambil sini. Kau ambil belakang aku ni. Okay, I just got done pumping my petrol. Okay. Okay. Dah? Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so guys, once you're done pumping petrol, you still want to keep right over here. Okay. Going home will be the easiest. Okay. But for those of you who have never entered JB before, this could also be a lesson for you guys. Alright. Later, once you reach JB, as per usual, like how you enter Malaysia Customs, then Singapore Customs. Then when you enter Singapore Customs, you have to get out of your bike and they will do a check on your bike lah. Alright. Okay. Usually around this area, there's a lot of these yellow humps lah. It's small, but then it affects your bike lah. So I like to stay in the middle here to avoid this hump, but it can be quite dangerous also lor. Yep. So give or take lor. If you want to be on the safer side, ride slowly and just makan the hump. But if you are like me, you want to ride fast, just ride in the middle lor. Make sure ride safely lor. Alright. Ada. Okay. I'm gonna stop recording once I reach once I clear the customs off. Alright. So it's 5:44 now guys. I think we can reach JB. I think we can reach Singapore before 6. If there's no jam. Okay. Alright, Chamni, how are you?
I'm good.
How's the microphone?
It's fine.
Alright. Alright.
Berak je.
Berak Oh, ni Valley tak tempat cebok lah. Shell tadi tak salah aku ada tempat cebok, tapi toilet dia tak bersih.
I can tahan sampai rumah.
Okay, boleh. InsyaAllah. Amin. Aku that time pernah pergi nak balik, tak nak berak. Aku dengan Andika that time lah.
Stop mana saya?
Tak, aku tahan je lah. Dia macam nak terkencit je. Kau punya berak apa? Yang macam nak terkencit punya ke atau bomas boleh tahan punya?
Solid lah.
Oh, aku punya nak terkencitnya. Saya punya that time.
Kau bawa slow lah?
Tak, aku bawa laju-laju je. Tak sabar-sabar saya nak balik rumah that time. Tu that time dah kat BKE lah. Tapi kat sini dah rasa that time.
Kau makan apa je?
Kau makan apa aku pergi yang cafe Nimis tu, yang dekat sebelah Jiran Cafe sana. Along that area lah. Tu aku makan apa pasta, crab pasta aku lupa. Soft shell crispy crab pasta. Aku makan tu. Okay, Lama juga traffic light here. The traffic light quite long. Okay. So my YouTube channel, the vlogging style lah guys, will be quite chill and lepak one lah. Sometimes I will mix around, speak English, sometimes I will speak Malay. Because I travel to Malaysia, so Malaysia is a Malay speaking country, so sometimes I like to speak Malay. But for my English viewers, I try my best to accommodate to you guys also by speaking English. Surprisingly tak ada jam no jam today balik. So okay. So once you clear all those humps here, you go to the right. You see Woodlands there. They want to keep right here, but for me, I just let this car overtake me first. Then I makan. Then you see motorcycle lane, you enter the motorcycle lane, which is, I think, is this lane lah. Yeah, this one. I really like JB. I really like entering Malaysia, guys. It's very, the ride here is more fun lah compared to Singapore. Oh, mana? Ni yang baju kuning ni. Oh, lagi kerja lah, night shift. Oh, saya kerja night shift. Okay guys. Aduh, sakit. Au. Oh, ada pothole tadi. Malaysia ke Singapore belakang aku?
Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia dah. Dia dah pergi ke sana. Oh, iya. Oh, nampak banyak kosong makan sini tu. Okay, I just got done getting my passport chopped. Now gonna wait for Hani first. Okay, now you see got a lot of Malaysian riders. They are probably coming here for work lah. I think they all night shift tonight. This one. Because today I go home a bit late lah. Oh, aku punya bike due for servicing ke? Aku lupa lah. Tak, bukan. Apa tu, aku punya ni, apa tu, engine oil nak kena ni tukar. Nantilah. Maybe tengoklah esok ke. Aku nak try buatkan JB engine oil. Okay guys. Okay, this one usually like just now. So this one also you want to keep left guys, because the right side the Malaysian guys will ride very fast one. They want to overtake you. If you are lucky you can see the train in front sometimes. Oh, yeah, aggressive dia punya pothole dia. Wow, Singapore to JB jam guys. Okay. Okay, reaching already. So you want to keep left guys. Remember, motorcycle is always on the left. Always on the left. Okay. So by the way, just now in the earlier video I did not mention, in the Singapore immigration center, in the immigration area here, there's always the manual lane and also the automatic lane. If you want to go the manual lane, is this one. It's the very first lane you see here. This one you only go here if your fingerprint like got problem or something. But if your fingerprint okay, you confident okay, you go here lor. For me, I'll go here lah. Okay, the video is blurred right now, guys. Okay, aku belum tag lagi. Ya. Kau belakang aku Okay, aku tengah dekat ni. Okay, as per same thing, you want to get your fingerprint check here also. And you are officially in Singapore, but checkings has to be done first before you can officially enter Singapore. So okay, so once you are here, actually I don't know whether I should blur this part of the video or not. Okay, never mind. Okay, wait guys. Okay, once you're here, you have to get out of your bike. Then you have to open your box at the back. Yeah. See, everybody here is not wearing the helmet also, so you have to take out your helmet, because this is where the checkings are all done lah. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So me and Hanif are going our separate ways because we are no longer neighbours. Okay. Previously we were neighbours. Alright. Okay. Okay, later go home then I will edit this video lor. So once you're here, you're technically officially you're officially out of Malaysia customs. Yeah, I mean you're officially in Singapore. So here you abide to the Singapore rules. Okay, oh my god, almost langgar the bike in front of me. So alright, it's time to go home guys. Ciao.